Trigonometry. Introduction. Trigonometric ratios. Finding value of trigonometric ratio. Dear students, let us study a new topic related to right triangle. Trigonometry. In this lesson, we will study trigonometry. Introduction. If a boy is looking towards a top of Minar and assuming that the ground making right angle with Minar, can you imagine, by using trigonometry, we can calculate the exact distance of a boy from a top of Minar? Trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. In this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles called trigonometric ratios of angles. We will restrict our discussion to acute angles only. Trigonometric ratios of an angle theta in a right angle triangle. Now let us take a right triangle ABC as shown. Here, angle CAB is an acute angle. We can denote as theta. Note the position of the side BC with respect to theta. It is opposite to theta. We call side BC as side opposite to theta. AC is the hypotenuse of the right triangle and the side AB is a part of angle A. So, we call side AB as the side adjacent to theta. Now, if we consider acute angle ACB as theta, side AB becomes opposite side to theta and side BC becomes adjacent side of theta. AC remains hypotenuse. Observe the following ratios of sides of a right triangle with respect to theta. We call them trigonometric ratios. The ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse of right triangle ABC is called sine of theta. We have opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, sine of theta is equal to BC upon AC. We can read and write sine of theta as sine theta. If we invert the ratio becomes cosecant of theta. Therefore, cosecant of angle theta is equal to AC by BC. We can read and write cosecant of theta as cosec theta. So, the relation formed between sine and cosec as cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. The ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse of right triangle ABC is called cosine of theta. We have adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, cosine of theta is equal to AB upon AC. We can read and write cosine of theta as cos theta. And if we invert the ratio becomes secant of theta. Therefore, secant of theta is equal to AC upon AB. We can read and write secant of theta as sec theta. So, the relation formed between cos and sec as sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. The ratio of opposite side to adjacent side of right triangle ABC is called tangent of theta. We have opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Therefore, tangent of theta is equal to BC upon AB. We can read and write tangent of theta as tan theta. And if we invert the ratio becomes cotangent of theta. Therefore, cotangent of theta is equal to AB upon BC. We can read and write cotangent of theta as cot theta. So the relation formed between tan and cot as cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. From above, we can determine the relation between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. The relation is sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Summary. In this subtopic, we have learned 1. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at B, sin A is equal to side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. Tan A is equal to side opposite to angle A upon side adjacent to angle A. 2. Cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. 3. If one of the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle is known, the remaining trigonometric ratios of the angle can be easily determined. So that is all in this subtopic. We will learn trigonometric ratios of some specific angles in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.